Hi everybody, it's Maureen of Maureen97 Designs, and I know there are several unboxing videos of the Fat Quarter Shop 2020 Spooky Box, but I just got mine and I thought I would share my first impressions with you all. Just to give you a little bit of background, I was just able to sign up for the Sew Sampler box, and I got my first box this month, and so this is my first spooky box, and it's only my second box from Fat Quarter Shop, so I'm really excited about it because I really don't know what to expect, and I didn't watch any of the videos or look at pictures from last year's box. So here we go. I already cut the tape, but I haven't looked at anything yet, so here we go. Okay, first of all is this 2020 Spooky Box Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Oh, this is the card describing everything that's in here, so let me just put this to the side. And this is a pair of scissors, and they're called Black Magic 4-inch scissors. Very nice. Oh, that's so cute! Tale of Terror Spooky Cat Hanger, and they show how you can actually put this on the side of your machine, and its little tail can hold your black magic scissors. So try those out later. And here's a Fiskars acrylic ruler. It's 4.5 inches square. I already actually have a 4-inch square ruler, but you know, you can never have enough rulers, so we'll see what I do with that. And then here's some fabric. Let me just rip into this. Okay, and this looks like Ghouls and Goodies from Moda. I actually have a charm pack of this that I made a quilt with, and so it's nice to have actually some larger pieces of that. And then here is, what is this? Grunge. And it's 18 inches by 45 inches, so that's about a ½ yard of this grunge fabric. And then the pattern is called Cat-O-Lantern, and that is just adorable. I love that. Oh, I'm definitely making this one. That's really, really cute. Okay, and this is like really cute, the box. Let's get spooky. And there's even some spiders down in the bottom of the box. So this is a really cute packaging idea, and I think everything in here is really nice. I'm very happy with it. I'm definitely going to make this little, I guess it's a mini quilt, because it finishes at 30.5 by 34. So yeah, super, super cute. I love this. I'm so glad I jumped in and got this box as soon as I saw it was available. Hi everybody, I'm back. So I was a little bit lazy and put off editing my video for my unboxing and decided to make the project from the box, the Cat-O-Lantern quilt, mini quilt. And I wanted to come back and show you a couple of things and give you a general warning. So there's a lot of half square triangles in the pattern, and I just wanted to show you this is my pile of all the leftovers from making the half square triangles. So there's stuff as little as this, but then there's ones like as big as this. So I'm thinking I might be able to make something out of this. At the very least, I can put it into my crumb pile to do a crumb quilt, or my scrap pile. You know, I think some of it is usable. These ones I'll probably use as dog bed stuffing, but the bigger ones I'm probably going to save. And then I just wanted to show you so far, I finished the top, and this is all the leftover fabric I had from the ½ yard each fabric. There were 4 fabrics total, and each one had a ½ yard, and I actually ended up with quite a lot of leftover material. I cut exactly according, well, not exactly, but pretty close to the cutting diagrams that were in the pattern. and I did end up with a lot of extra. So when I'm ready to bind my mini quilt, I'm going to go through all of this and see if maybe I can make a scrappy binding out of all of this, and if I am able to, I will share that picture later on my Instagram if I can. If I can finish this in time. It's getting pretty close to Halloween. But anyway, the general warning I wanted to give you is when you're doing the pattern, let me show you here. There's this flying geese bunch up here and then down here. And you want to pay close attention when you're making those, because you're going to do those all at the end and you make them all at one time. So you've got to pay really close attention. All of this fabric, except for the black, of course, the black grunge, all of the printed fabric is directional. And so you want to make sure that you are paying really close attention to which flying geese you're working on. Are you doing the top row or the bottom row? Because it matters how you align the fabrics and how you do your triangles on your flying geese to make sure that the print comes out in all the correct direction. Because in this one, it's going in one direction, and then in this one, they're pointing, the triangle areas are pointing up, but your print is still going down, you know, left to right and top to bottom. So you're going to want to be really careful when you're making those, that you're going to make 4 one way and 4 the other way, which I wasn't paying attention to, and I accidentally made all 8 of them going in the same direction. So I was going to remake them. I couldn't remake them actually with what I had because they were cut entirely wrong. But I was going to try and go through my leftover fabric to see if I could have enough to actually just make 4 more for the bottom. But I did not have enough fabric of the white. I have enough of the orange and the purple, but not the white print. So what I ended up doing was I did put the flying geese the correct way on the top. Ooh, wow, what a weird glare. Sorry about that. It's like the middle of the afternoon here, and I'm getting a glare out of my window. And then for the bottom, I just put it on facing the wrong way, of course, so the print would be the correct way. I really thought about this for a while. Did I want the points pointing up and then all the fabric print was going in the wrong direction, or did I just want to do the fabric in the right direction? I also debated whether or not I wanted to switch around the order, because in the top row it's purple, orange, and then in the pattern it's orange, purple. So I was debating whether or not I should rip this out and do an orange, purple instead. But then I just got so fed up with the fact that I did it wrong. I said, you know, I don't want to rip anything else out. I already ripped out a bunch. I'm still a beginning quilter, and I'm not the best at all of this yet. So I ripped out a bunch. Figuring out how to do the directional half square triangles was a little bit of a challenge, but I figured it out in the end. But I still ended up doing a lot of ripping for different reasons, and so I just ended up leaving it as both the top and bottom go purple, orange. And I think it looks fine. Overall, I don't think it makes a difference. If somebody didn't know what the pattern was, I don't think they would know that it's wrong. Of course, everybody who has the pattern will know that I did it wrong. And yeah, I did. Sorry. I didn't take artistic license or anything. I just plain old did it wrong. So yeah, that's my little keep in mind tip for you if you haven't done yours yet, to be very careful with the strip that goes across the bottom. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get a little value from my tips about the finishing of the quilt. So anyway, I will be back again soon, hopefully with another sewing video, and until then, have a great day and I'll see you later.